everyone. Today we're making chicken broccoli or broccoli and chicken, the Chinese style, the way you guys buy it from the Chinese restaurant. It's one of my favorite with long grain rice or
Brown rice.
basmati rice. Well, you like brown rice, right? So we got 1 pound chicken here, 1.5 pound, right?
Chicken breast.
Yeah, you can put in this here if you want. We're gonna use some carrots and broccoli
And
we
the
have
broccoli.
here. Yep.
To make the chicken and the broccoli.
Yeah. So let's start seasoning this here up. I'll put 2 tablespoons of
2 teaspoons of cornstarch.
It doesn't want to come out. Cornstarch.
Okay.
And
We got some egg whites.
egg white in here. And black pepper. You can use the white pepper if you want. We don't have the white one right now. And salt, of course.
Salt is very important.
Yep.
Okay.
And soy sauce. I would say about 3 tablespoons of sauce.
Yeah.
And some crushed
Optional.
pepper, option if you guys want.
It's
You can put-
optional.
yeah, you don't have to. We like our chicken broccoli a
By
little.
now, guys, you know we put crushed pepper in
Spicy.
anything if you've been watching us.
Yeah. And water. And now we're gonna mix all this up here.
Just massage
Yeah.
it good.
Make sure that egg get
It's
on
well,
this.
the chicken is
chicken.
well coated.
Yeah. And it should look a little velvety with that egg yolk,
Yeah.
the egg white. There's
Guys, it's egg whites we're using, not egg yolk.
egg white, sorry, heavy. Yeah, massage it really good. Let that egg get in here.
So that's how you prepare the chicken to make chicken and broccoli or broccoli chicken, however you say it, the Chinese style.
Yeah, and this is the traditional way in China. This is how they make it, and also in Guyana. I guess the Guyanese Chinese was from China, Hong Kong, and this is the traditional way in how to make it. And you won't get a secret else anywhere else, only from Vishnalini.
So you better
Yep.
you better check it out. And make sure you subscribe to Cooking with Vishnalini so you can get more secrets.
Yeah. So all the viewers out there that are viewing and watching, please subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button.
Hit the notification bell as well so that when we upload new videos you can be notified. Why wouldn't you want to be notified, right? We're fun people.
Yeah.
So you'll enjoy or you'll have fun watching us.
So we're gonna let this soak for a little bit, at least 20 minutes, and gonna be back. All right, so we're gonna put in
What are we making here? The sauce,
sauce.
For the broccoli chicken?
Yeah,
Okay.
and this is 3 teaspoons of cornstarch. 2. We got black pepper, more black pepper. One teaspoon. Soy sauce. 2 teaspoons.
No, it's more like
some oyster sauce. It's not opening. Wow. Oyster sauce. I put in approximately 3 teaspoons. Sugar. Brown sugar. Ginger.
grated ginger.
1 teaspoon. Garlic, grated garlic. I would say 2 teaspoons. The ingredients and the measurement will be in the description. And chicken stock.
Like it barely wants to come out.
1 cup. And mix this up. I put in some more darker sauce to give it the color, the black color. So you want the sugar to melt up and the cornstarch to dilute in here a little bit.
So yeah, guys, this is the sauce we're gonna use to cook the chicken and broccoli.
You can see the texture over there. And it smells really, really good. Alright, we got the wok pretty blazing hot on all there. So we're gonna put in this broccoli and roast it. And
make sure there's no water in there.
carrots. At the restaurant, they don't toast their broccoli. I guess when the Chinese them at home, They're gonna do this here, this part. Let it toast a little
So
bit.
it needs to be burnt a little bit.
Yeah, you want it to burn a little bit. And have
So
that
let the
burny
water
flavor.
burn out the water.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
So then we can turn the heat up.
Yep. And here is our sauce that we finished making.
So that's our sauce for the broccoli and chicken. And that's our chicken.
Yeah, it's been for over 20 minutes now marinated.
Yeah. So this, that, and the broccoli is gonna be married soon. Big wedding. No, you gotta let it burn first on one side before you turn it, I think.
Yeah. And this is very, very healthy, guys.
So you don't have to do it this way. There are different ways of cooking broccoli and chicken. You could also steam the broccoli and the carrots. Now, carrots are optional. You don't need to do that, but we just want to have some carrots in tonight. So, but yeah, you can do it this way, set it aside, cook your chicken, and then bring that back on, or you can just steam the broccoli and the carrots, and you know, either way, you got to cook the broccoli and the carrots.
Yeah, either way.
Yeah.
Let's just start burning there.
You see it?
A little bit.
Cool.
At the restaurant, they have a 100 BTU burner that actually this wok is blazing hot. So it takes longer in the stove here, a little bit longer. Here's the oil. So we're gonna put this away here.
So we're gonna set our broccoli and carrots aside.
And put that oil up there. Come on. Yeah, I think that oil is good there.
Yep. And show the gravy, just like pieces of chicken, I guess.
So we're gonna toast this here. And let it toast.
Yeah, until each side gets brown.
A little bit.
Well, yeah, a little bit.
Yeah. So I'm spreading it out, let it toast. We're gonna throw in the veggies in here, the broccoli and the carrot. I'll throw in a little bit at a time the sauce and see how much we need, because I don't want to overload it with too much of the sauce. So we're gonna let it cook for a little bit here, and it smells really, really good. I'll add the rest of the sauce in here. Guys, chicken and broccoli is very healthy. This is a very healthy food right here, to eat with plain rice or eat it just like that. So we're gonna let this cook for a couple minutes. Alright guys, this is the finished product of the chicken broccoli. Hope you guys like it. These are the pictures. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. One love. Peace out.